Derive the equation of a plane in normal form. Okay. Consider three-dimensional x, y, z, and in that consider one plane whose perpendicular distance from the origin is d. Okay, and perpendicular distance from the origin d not equal to 0. Okay, if vector on is the normal from the origin, vector on is normal from the origin to the plane. Okay, to the plane, and n cap is the unit normal vector along on. So n cap is the unit normal vector along on. So vector on is the normal from the origin and n cap is the unit normal vector along on. So we write vector on is equal to distance d with unit vector n cap. Okay, therefore so this vector on is perpendicular to vector np. Here I will write vector on is perpendicular to vector np. Vector on is perpendicular to vector np. Therefore we write vector on dot vector np is equal to 0. Okay, and here I have a one point P. P is the point on the plane. So let vector r be the position vector of the point P. Let vector r be the position vector of the point P. Position vector of point P. So we write we know vector on is equal to d n cap. Now we write vector np is equal to vector op minus vector on. Okay, so vector np is equal to vector op, position vector of the point P is vector r minus vector on is equal to d into n cap. So take it as equation number 1. Then equation number 1 becomes vector on dot vector np is equal to 0. Vector on is equal to, substitute the value, d n cap dot vector r minus d n cap is equal to 0. Okay, so here we know d not equal to 0, distance is not equal to 0, then only n cap dot r cap minus d n cap is equal to 0. So multiply n cap into vector r minus d into n cap dot n cap is equal to 0. Okay, so we know n cap dot n cap is equal to 1. So n cap vector r minus d is equal to 0. Okay, so vector r n cap is equal to d. Therefore d equal to vector r n cap. D is equal to vector r n cap. So this is the vector form of the equation of the plane. So we write, let vector OP is equal to vector r. We have a point P of x comma y comma z. So we write xi cap, yj cap and zk cap. So let L, n be the direction cosines of n cap. So we write n cap is equal to L I cap, M j cap and n k cap. Okay. So magnitude of n cap is equal to L square root L square plus m square plus n square. And we know the value of L square m square plus n square is equal to 1. So root 1 is equal to 1. So unit vector. So n cap is the unit vector. So now substitute in the vector form. D is equal to vector r into n cap. So D is equal to vector r is equal to xi cap plus y j cap plus z k cap dot n cap L I cap plus m j cap plus n k cap. Okay, so D is equal to dot product. So L x into L x L, y into L y into m y m, z into n zn. So Cartesian form is Lx my plus nz. This is the required Cartesian equation of a plane.